So clip it on the belt loop. To open it up, you can put the hook inside one of the holes at the front. Like that, and then lever him up. That'll open it one-handed. Put the hook inside, close the lid, so now it's safe. I like to pre-wet the line first. Put it through the eye of the hook with about 3 inches of tag end, and then holding it vertical, rotate the tag end to create the twists in the line. Now put the tag end through the loop at the bottom and back out the top loop to lock the knot. So that's an improved clinch knot. The line's already pre-wet, so just help it down and pull on the knot. That's a perfect improved clinch knot. To open him up, use the leverage of the hook and flick him open. Now you can trim that off with nail clippers or a pair of scissors, but if you practice with the line cutter, put him under and you can trim him off. And that is an absolute perfect improved clinch knot.